Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
I don't wanna seem all rude, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't wanna waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you, come back to bed.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a whole house clean with me, well, a top floor clean with me, and also a grocery haul. So we're going to start out in the kitchen, which is where I typically like to start, and I am actually just getting all these tomatoes from my garden into this box so that they can start to ripen up, and that's kind of the first thing that I'm doing. I had to wash them all off first, and now that they were all dry, they need to go into that box. So we started out with that, and then we're going to clean up all of our dishes from lunch.
Hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you, come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you, come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed.
I'm on the train headed.
So now that I have my dishwasher unloaded, I'm going to go ahead and stack it all up again, and then after we're done in the kitchen and the kitchen is not all nice and clean, then I'm going to go through my grocery haul with you guys, and then we'll be putting those groceries away. I definitely wanted to make sure that my kitchen was actually clean before I brought the groceries over and actually started putting them away, because I just find it gets too congested. I have a small kitchen and I need to have things clean before I start on other projects.
Over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place.
Okay guys, so I did a little grocery haul this morning. I wanted to show you what I all picked up. Everything was about 160 Canadian dollars. So I'll show you what we got for that. So we are having taco salad tonight. So I got these restaurant style taco chips to put in that. Then we got some bananas, a cucumber. We got 3 different kinds of Lipton soup. We got the tomato vegetable, chicken noodle, and chicken vegetable. I got an 18 pack of eggs. We've been eating a ton of eggs around here lately. And I actually got 2 loaves of bread, but we already dipped into 1 for lunch. So I got 2 of those same loaves. I got a package of spaghettini. And then we got Holden and his cousin a little treat here for later. We got the 700 gram of Armstrong cheese. This is the marble version. And 2 pounds of ground beef. Then we got these Ziggy's Luncheon Meats. This one is bologna. It comes with another side as well, but like I said, we dug into that already for lunch. And we got a Black Forest ham one. We got this avocado to make some guacamole to have with our salads tonight. And same thing with the bell pepper. Then we got a pineapple, 3 Granny Smith apples. I'm going to be making an apple pie this weekend for our Canadian Thanksgiving. Then I got this huge pack, 5 pounds of carrots. And I got a couple of peaches. The peaches didn't look very good while I was there, so I just picked the couple best ones. I got this container of feta for Greek salads later on in the week. We got a coconut milk for coconut curry we're going to have later. Got a box of scalloped potatoes. And we got a great deal on this gigantic ham. I'll actually turn it around to show you guys like how big it really is. It's huge. So that'll be for sure at least 2 meals. And then I got a big thing of bleach because, you know, cold and flu season coming and they had bleach there. So I thought I'd stock up on it. Same thing with toilet paper. I grabbed an extra toilet paper. And then we got a 2 liter of 1% milk. We got this Hunt's tomato sauce with onion, herbs, and spices. We got a pumpkin spice International Delight coffee creamer. And we got some new coffee. We got whipped topping for the pumpkin pie I'm also going to be making. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see how I prepare for Thanksgiving, because I know our Thanksgiving is before the Americans. So, and I know a lot of you guys are from the US. So let me know if you want to see a Thanksgiving video. Then also, we got 2 salad dressings. I got a Thousand Island and a ranch. I've got a shake and bake, 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese. We got a huge bag of broccoli. Holden really loves steamed broccoli, so grabbed a huge bag of that. I got a taco mix for our taco salad tonight. We have a salted butter, and we have some no-name cheddar cheese slices. And finally, we've got a 3-pack of romaine lettuce. So all of that, about 160 Canadian dollars for that. So now that you guys have seen what I picked up for my grocery haul, I'm going to just move everything over onto my kitchen counter, and then we will start to put it all away. And then we're going to move on into the other areas of the house to clean.
Putting things on the side, what do you have in mind? She's awake all the time, what are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie, 'cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground, all I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. 'Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster, you're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind? I put my heart on the line through our phone in the night. No, I'm here by your side.
Moving on into my living room, I had to throw my hair up because I was so hot. We've turned off our air conditioning for probably about the last 3 weeks or so, and so we're just trying to like go. This is like the sweet spot where you don't have to pay for heat and you don't have to pay for air conditioning. But there's a couple of days where, of course, it's still gonna be very warm, so you know you get hot, and then there's a couple of days where it gets cold, so you get cold. So you have to kind of deal with the elements. But we had turned off our air conditioning, so it was really warm in my house this day, so I had to throw my hair up and I had some fans going. But as you can see, we are in the living room now, and I'm just doing a quick tidy here. Holden had a lot of his toys out. He was playing pretty hard that morning, so I just went and tidied all that up. My boyfriend had taken him to Papa's house, so they were having fun there, and I always enjoy that when I just have the house to myself and I can get my cleaning done and just kind of like relax and listen to a podcast or a YouTube video or whatever. That's one of my favorite things to do, so that's always enjoyable.
Let's start a new world today. Life is giving us a treat.
Okay, so now we're actually going to move over into Holden's room, and the first thing that I had to do in here was to actually fix his little train track on the wall. So if you guys saw my DIY child's room renovation, toddler room renovation, where I did this artwork, I just used hot glue gun to glue the rope onto the wood, and obviously, as you can see, it did not hold up very well. So I ended up just going and grabbing some really fine finishing nails and just hammering it in there, and then now that it's definitely on there sturdy.
To light up my fire, I love the way that you move when you dance to the music, the way your feet seem to float above the floor.
I've got to say, you guys, Holden has been playing in his room so much. In his other room was quite a bit smaller, the nursery, but it is insane. We moved him into this room and he plays in here all the time now, which he never used to play in his room before. So I'm really, really happy that he actually enjoys spending time in here now. There's actually room for him to play, and it just makes me so happy.
Like a falling star, you're bringing me down for sure. Your shaded smile shows who you are. 'Cause you've heard everything before. I'm looking for something that I can desire. I'm looking for someone to light up my fire. I love the way that you move when you dance to the music, the way your feet seem to float above the floor, how your eyes start to glow when I get close to you, baby. Come on and shake it like you did before. The way that you move when you dance to the music.
So the last room that we're going to tackle today is our master bedroom, and it wasn't too bad in here. I pretty much just had to make the bed and then just tidy up a few things. On the floor I had some clothes, and of course you guys already know my catch-all dresser always has to be emptied, but it wasn't too bad, and I was really happy that I was able to get everything done. I was kind of on a time limit. We had my sister-in-law coming over that night. We've been watching all Big Brother. I'm not typically a fan of Big Brother at all, but my boyfriend and his sister really are, so I really enjoy having her come over, and they will watch and I'll just sit in the corner, and of course like I'll be in the room and watching but not really watching, but I'll typically be editing while they're watching, and it's so much fun. We have a lot of fun. We have snacks, and it's just a really good time on a Friday night for us.
Always keep on moving on. I left you behind to live my life.
But you guys, we are now nearing the end of the video, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and especially if you have made it this far to the end of the video. I truly appreciate all of your support, and I really appreciate you watching this far. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I hope I was able to inspire you to get up and get something done today. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.